Meta just released version 2.7 of the operating system. Let's check it out. Here we are, version 2.7. Let's check the release notes. And by the way, time ago I didn't create a video of version 2.6. So after I highlight what's new in 2.7, we will do a recap on version 2.6. So stay until the end. So let's get started. Version 2.7. First one, adjust content size across apps. So you click here, you go in quick settings, then here you scroll down, you select here, display, scroll down and size. Here you have several options. You have small, medium, large, extra large and largest. So you can check them out. For some people, it might be convenient to have the bigger size of the text because they can see it better. In my case, I'm okay with medium, but I will show you here, for the sake of it, how it changes the text and the overall layout when you change these settings. Now let's go back to medium, which is also the default. I think that's enough for me. And let's switch to the second news. You can now use your controllers as gamepads. To do so, you have to go in Settings, Devices, Controllers. Here you can enable the first option, and it allows you to pause an app. And if you press and hold the Meta button, it doesn't reset your view anymore when this is turned on. Now, the third news is something that I probably won't show you here in this video, but basically they renamed Remote Desktop to Virtual Display. It's a minor thing, not worth to show it, but let's do a recap on the main innovation on version 2.6. I didn't create a video time ago, but basically there were two updates. One is that when you sit down in your home, it basically resets your height. For example, here, if you click there, it should adjust your height because you're sitting down. And the same goes for the other direction in the other seats. It's a minor thing, but it should convey realism, right? So this was the other news. But the biggest one is something that, unfortunately, since I'm in Europe, I cannot show you. However, in this menu over here, you should be able to see Meta AI if you are in US or Canada. So this is probably the biggest update among version 2.6 and 2.7. I cannot show you here on my Quest, but let's switch to someone in US who already got it, and let's see what's new there. As you can see from the menu here, it appears Meta AI, and you can enable it or disable it, which is good. So if you don't want it, you can keep it disabled. If you enable it, it will ask confirmation, like, are you sure you want to do this? And there are many policies there that you have to read and accept. Then it shows you also how to activate it. Basically, there is a dedicated button on the controller. You can also get help during your activities by just saying, hey Meta. And there is also a section for the voice settings. So basically, you can select different voices depending on your preference. So these were the main news, and if you want to know more about previous versions, you can find it here on my YouTube channel. There is a dedicated playlist with everything about Meta Quest 3, 3S, 2, and more. Beyond Meta, there is also a playlist about extended reality. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.